how to fix APK file not installing in Android. So if you want to fix APK file not installing in your Android, then first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you need to open up your settings. Now under settings, you need to scroll down and you need to go with the storage. So tap on storage and RAM, and here make sure you need to check your phone storage capacity. If you don't have enough storage, then uninstall some apps and try again and install the APK file, and it might fix your problem. Or the other way is you can just simply go with the applications that you're not using and then remove those applications or install those applications. Or the other way is open up your settings and then just go with apps section. Under apps, go with see all apps, go with the top right which has that 3 dots, and then go with show system apps. Under system apps, you need to go with search, and here you need to search for package installer. Tap on package installer and go with storage and cache and tap on clear cache. And now you can go back, restart your device, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.